Aladon ke jingmut, away ke bered, aklam nang sedang. Tiar kaladon, Andre, sengokum badang dan hi Jingduna. Adon kam jing Arab, ke jing Krishan, aklam tip Syaiban Pai. Hangta ngalap ke Chief Ministers E-Championship Challenge. Basdang ha arhajar khat khandai, ke Sorkar Jela Meghalaya, ke CMECC 6.0, kamdei tang ke jing yakun, kadai ke Jaka, ba ailat yakibatre kam lojong. Manu Snem, Shispa san pungut ya shimbenta. Nang ni pinyo pusan ngut kiyo ya chkhmat kiyo shimbenta haka program bakhandai benai. Haka incubation program jong ke prime piyo jing yarab bat jing hikai. Pyntip bat pinyo lat ban poi shakiyo ki hat bay hap ya ki mar jong pi. Kilat ban pinkiyo ya ka kam jong pi bat kam tam ka jing kershan. Ban pinkiyo bat yarap ya ki entrepreneur piyo aru ya ka jing kershan ya ki business gran. Dilai pusan bawan chakman yo arlak tingka bat kisau pho bawan nadien yo silak tingka. Nang ni piyo ajaka ban tray ya laki kam kitiar ban yarap ya piwan kiyo yo jing yarap rendeng bat ki kam legal documentation.
Kaladai ka por banedan benta bat ka prime na ka benta kalaway paparnay lasya.
Ka CMECC 6.0 kwa bat pin pikir tang hakakam jong pi. Ka CMECC kala incubate bun ki entrepreneur na ki khatar district ka jela. La pen mi bun ba ki kam bala pen kala jing em jong bara. Hidan ka jing mud ngin ai ka jing kershan. Shim benta haka prime.
Detai paru join pikai ke prime Meghalaya mentu.
Ni benta ka step ka mangawi ko pu ko pe.
Hagasngi ke baar jong ke dorbar senrai ke yang dorbar tawan ke jela. Menteri Rangba Conrad Samla ula Pyntip ba ke Meghalaya kelamat ke Jingduna hak Iohkam ki Samla ke belakot ndere punyo hajar sanspa Snem hak tenat sorkar. Ba ke sorkar kelapen kre ke plan benle ai halor kene ke Jingduna. Conrad Samla ula ong ba ke Snem ke banyo hajar ngut ki Samla kede ki balak ben rongkam ndere ki tenat sorkar hi kilaban Iohkam tangkom ba hajar Haduh hajar sanspa ngut hak Snem. Bat ke Jingduna ka kot Haduh hendra punya wajar sans pak teliki kam haki tenat sorkar. Komta ke sorkar kelapen krep benar ke plan ke Bapura banarap ke Samla ke badai bani Iohkam. Ulang ba ke career counseling program ke desi benta jangan ke plan ban betul lenti bat kershan ke Samla ke arpsan jat ki kam bakentup ki kam yadari kam bank engineering bat bon kibe-kibe. Bat ke jingtmu kalong ban penla ke Samla bagen cium kabu hakalat Iohkam la ke ki kam sorkar ni ki kam shimet. Na kaliang unang ilam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul M Sangma ulero senjam belashim dak sorkar ban ula banjor ke jingdan kam banedan bentalang haba pen kreat kinu ki kam bakerpang kam tam ki kam yadari bat kam sipai. Menteri Rangba ulia thuru bag sorkar jela kalum thop ikilat Iohkam Iohjam hakiliang baper komisi benta jong the vision 2030.
To the House and to the citizens at large that we do roughly on a rough estimate depending on the particular year, about an average of about 70,000 people are being eligible to join the workforce every year. 70,000. And this is year on year, sir. And therefore, when you look at the kind of government jobs that are available, roughly, right now, sir, we are doing a recruitment of close to about 7,000 vacancies, which have been there for the last 20 years. All of that is being covered, and about 7,000 vacancies are being recruitment processes going on in one board or the other. But on an average, so on an annual basis, again depending on the retirements that take place, not more than 2,000 posts. So maybe even if you include all the other casual posts, maybe not more than 2,500 posts will be available at the government level for our youngsters. So it's quite limited compared to a workforce of 70,000 plus people who will be joining or eligible to join the workforce every year. So there is a deficit of about 67,500 jobs for us, and that is really the challenge that we faced. And that's where we came out with this entire idea of ensuring that this growth story must be linked to job creation, and private sector will have to play a very crucial role. So where I appreciate the Honorable Leader of Opposition's suggestions, and we've taken the suggestions and we are already working on most of them, sir. I just thought it's good to just mention to the House that at the end we will need to see the growth in the private sector to be able to actually cater to the need of about 67,500 youths every year who will be eligible to join the workforce. And that's the reason why we are coming up with a more holistic plan. And this career guidance and career program that we have, counseling program that we have of career advisors, is also part of the overall larger plan that we have.